Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna be saying your sounds, so watch the screen and let's say the sounds together. Want to go? A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, that was an amazing one. Good job. Okay children, so right now you're gonna be saying the sounds again. This time around I'm not gonna say it with you. You would say it by yourself and dance along with the music. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. That was super fantastic. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Good job. All right, children, well done, and see you in the next video. Bye.